Here's how to reset your iPhone to factory settings. Now, on your iPhone, the first step is to head into the Settings app of your phone. We need to do a couple different things before we factory reset it. The first one is to tap on your name at the very top, and then we're going to scroll down, and you'll be able to see here is this iPhone Trevor, this iPhone 16 Pro. Let's say that is what we want to factory reset. The first thing I'll do is tap on iCloud here and iCloud backup. I need to make sure everything is backed up, so you can see the last backup was last night. I'm going to just choose backup here just so that I can make sure I don't lose any of my data. After I've done that, let's go back out of here. Next to Save to iCloud, hit See All and make sure everything is turned on again so that everything has a backup in your iCloud. Now, after you've gone through all of these steps, next thing we'll do is we'll go back and back again. Now you can see Find My here. You can tap on it, and you want to make sure under Find My iPhone to turn this off. You will need to enter in your Apple account password to be able to turn this off. So just have that handy and turn that off. After you've done that, let's go back out of here to the very beginning of your settings. Now we've backed up everything. We've turned off the Find My feature. Now we can reset it. So to do that, we're going to scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now from here, you'll be able to see at the very bottom, Reset All Content and Settings. Tap on that, and it will walk you through everything. It will erase everything. It will turn off your Apple account and remove it, your wallet, your eSIM, and all that stuff. Now just hit the Continue button. And again, you can choose whether to keep your eSIM or delete your eSIM and erase the data. Just tap on Delete eSIM and Erase Data, and it will be back to factory default. At that point, you can sell or give away the iPhone without losing any personal information.